Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we will discuss our lecture on measles. Today we will be starting with vaccine preventable diseases that are being taken care of during extended program of immunization. Those diseases are tuberculosis, polio, diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, Haemophilus influenza, hepatitis B, pneumococcal vaccine is also given, and then measles. Now we will discuss measles today. References to measles are present in history as early as 7th century, described by Persian physician Rhazes in the 10th century as more dreaded than smallpox. In 1846, Peter Panum described incubation period of measles and lifelong immunity after recovery. Anders in 1954 and Peebles isolated the virus in human and monkey kidney tissue culture. Now let's discuss agent factors. Agent factors include RNA paramyxovirus. Source of infection are cases, and infective material is secretion of nose, throat, and respiratory tract. Mode of transmission is airborne transmission. Period of infectivity is 4 days before plus 5 days after the appearance of rash, and secondary attack is over 80% in susceptible contact. And what is a susceptible contact? Who doesn't have immunity? Now the host factors are in developing countries age 6 months to 3 years, while in developed countries over 5 years. Male and female propensity of getting measles is equal. Immunity is one attack gives you lifelong immunity. Infants transplacentally from mothers for 4 to 6 months they get through breast milk nutrition 400 times more mortality in malnourished children. Environmental factors are more in winters, high population density and movement, poorer socioeconomic conditions, lower the age of attack, transmission person to person by droplet infection and droplet nuclei. Incubation period is 10 days from exposure to onset of fever and 14 days to appearance of rash. 3 stages in natural history of measles are prodromal or pre-eruptive stage, and post-measles stage. Now it begins 10 days after infection and lasts until 14 days, characterized by low grade to moderate fever or hacking, dry cough, coryza and conjunctivitis. A day or two before the appearance of rash, Koplik spots appear. Now Koplik spots as shown in the figure, they occur opposite to the lower molars on the buccal mucosa, spread irregularly over it. Grayish white dots which are small grains of sand with slight reddish areola around the hemorrhagic background. Now in eruptive stage, temperature rises abruptly to 40 to 40.5 degrees centigrade. Rash appears on upper lateral parts of the neck, starts behind ear along hairline and posteriorly back of the posterior part of the cheek. Rash spreads rapidly in first 24 hours, entire face, neck, upper arm, upper part of the chest. In next 24 hours, back, abdomen, entire arms and thighs. Itching is generally slight. Fading of the rash proceeds downwards in the same sequence in which it appears. As the rash fades, veiny desquamation and brownish discoloration occurs and then disappears within 7 to 10 days. Lymph nodes at the angle of jaws and in the post-cervical region are usually enlarged. Slight splenomegaly may be noted. Now complications are diarrhea is the most common complications of measles, otitis media, pneumonia, encephalitis. Other complications which develop later are subacute sclerosing panencephalitis, myocarditis, exacerbation of an existing tubercular process, and vitamin A deficiency. Now differentials of this rash are viral rashes में germal measles हैं, roseola infantum है, erythema infectiosum है, infectious mononucleosis है. While in others it can be meningococcioma, typhoid fever, scarlet fever, live viral vaccine and drug eruption. All these causes such kind of rash with some differences. Now, typical rash of measles is maculopapular rash and is often slightly hemorrhagic, may have petechiae and ecchymosis. Maculopapular means it is not raised, it is within the skin. Now, tender lymph nodes, post-cervical, post-occipital, post-auricular, post-occipital, post-auricular, never enlarged in measles. They are tender but not enlarged. Evolution of rash is very rapid. No rise in temperature. Occurs mainly in teenagers एंड यंग एडल्ट्स. मतलब ये कि जो अब इनका डिफ्रेंसिएशन देख लें कि जर्मन मीजल्स के अंदर ये लिम्फ नोड्स आर नॉट एनलार्ज्ड. एवेल्यूएशन ऑफ रैश बहुत रैपिड होती हैं. देयर इज़ नो राइज इन टेम्परेचर, वाइल ऑन द कॉन्वर्स मीजल्स के अंदर देयर इज़ राइज इन टेम्परेचर एज वेल. देन द स्लाइड रोजियोला इन्फेंटियम, दो ये आपकी स्कोप ऑफ कोर्स से बाहर हैं, बट यू कैन जस्ट हैव अ रीड. Now, diagnosis is usually clinical. Leukopenia with relative lymphocytosis. Measles IgM antibodies ELISA से हो सकती हैं, and IgG antibodies are greater than 4 times. Isolation of measles virus by tissue culture to identify the genotype. All suspected measles cases should be reported immediately. Now, treatment, there is no specific antiviral treatment. Treatment is entirely supportive, antipyretic, bed rest, adequate fluid. In immunocompromised patients with complication, ribavirin can be given in this dose, 10 mg per kg per day into 5 days. Now, vitamin A doses, if patient age is less than 6 months, he should be given 50,000 international units immediately, and then 50,000 on the next day. And if it is between 6 months to 12 months, 1 lakh international units on the immediately, and 1 lakh international units next day. And 1 to 5 years, 2 lakh international units on the same day, and then 2 lakh international units on the next day. Now, in May 1974, WHO officially launched a program to prevent all children of the world against 6 vaccine preventable diseases. Measles vaccination was introduced through extended program of immunization, a universal immunization program. Now, prevention of measles is of two types: active vaccine, which is measles vaccine, and then MMR vaccine, and passive prevention by gamma globulin. Measles vaccine is live attenuated freeze-dried vaccine. Composition is 5,000 TCID of Edmonston Zagreb strain. Diluent is distilled water. Dose is 0.5 ml. Route is subcutaneous. Site is right upper arm deltoid region, and time for use is reconstituted vaccine should be used within 3 to 4 hours. Schedule of vaccine is first dose is given at 9 months, and second dose in Pakistan is given at 15 months. Changes in schedule during epidemic: 6 to 9 months free vaccinated, 9 months and 18 months, and all recent doses of measles should be replaced with MMR vaccine. These has to be done, but yet have not started in Pakistan. Plus, we also recommend not an EPI but a vaccine, a measles vaccine dose should be given in preschool age at 3 to 4 years as well. Now, side effects are fever and rash, SSPE, toxic shock syndrome, that is diarrhea occurs and it is a life-threatening condition. Efficacy: first dose 85%, and after second dose 95% gets seroconverted. Now, vaccination strategy in states with routine immunization greater than 80% coverage: introduction of second measles vaccine at the age of 14 months and keeping high immunization coverage. In states with routine immunization coverage at less than 80%, catch up, keep up, and follow up, 2 of which are supplementary vaccinations. Now, these are also recommended because we usually follow a strategy known as PAHO strategy, though this is beyond your scope of course and discussion, but still, if somebody asks you, पाहो वॉज पैन अमेरिकन जो रीजन है उन्होंने ये स्ट्रैटेजी की थी कि वो उन्होंने एवरी 3 to 4 years दे वैक्सीनेट all children under 5 years of age with vaccine, measles vaccine, while after a frequent interval of say 10 years they go for vaccination of all the adults. So this is a PAHO strategy in which they catch up and try to vaccinate all those who are not immunized yet, and the fact remains that the purpose of this kind of vaccination PAHO strategy is to maintain your herd immunity. Now, catch-up is defined as one-time nationwide vaccination campaign targeting usually all children 9 months to less than 10 years, regardless of history of measles disease or vaccination status. Now, keep up is defined as routine service aimed at vaccination following more than 95% of each successive birth cohort. Follow-up is defined as subsequent vaccination campaign conducted every 3 to 5 years, targeting usually all children born after the catch-up campaign. Now, post-exposure prophylaxis, live measles vaccines is given within 72 hours of exposure, and immunoglobulins should be given within 6 days of exposure. Now, IG may be specially indicated in children younger than 6 months of age and immunocompromised children. Measles control, reduction of measles morbidity and mortality in accordance with targets, no longer a public health problem. Measles elimination in a large geographical region in which endemic transmission of measles has stopped. And measles eradication agent no longer exists in the country, no cases for 3 years in the presence of good surveillance. This is known, these are few terms, what is control, elimination and eradication, that can be applied on every disease. Thank you. Now I have some MCQs, you can go through them one by one. ठीक है, मैं सारी स्लाइड्स अभी प्ले कर रहा हूँ, एंड यू शुड आंसर देम बाय द एंड ऑफ योर. अब आपकी असाइनमेंट ये है कि लेक्चर के आखिर में ये जो MCQs हैं ये आपने करके इसकी की जो है वो मेरे पास है, मैं बाद में अपलोड करूँगा, मगर आपने जो है ना ये ग्रुप के अंदर अपलोड करने हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, mortality in measles is increased in malnourished children up to. Secondary attack rate is occurrence of second attack of disease, percentage of contacts developing the disease, percentage of susceptible contacts developing the disease in one incubation period, all of the above. Which of the following diseases have got a cyclical trend? Chickenpox, measles, poliomyelitis, and Hep B. Question number 4. The incubation period of measles is 10 days, 5 days, 15 days, or 20 days. Question number 5. The secondary attack rate of measles is greater than 50%, greater than 60%, greater than 70%, greater than 80%. The period of communicability in measles is 1 week before and 1 week after the rash has appeared, 4 days before and 5 days after the rash has appeared, 5 days before and 4 days after the rash has appeared, 5 days before and 5 days after the rash has appeared. The rash in the measles is maculopapular, exanthems, enanthems, and all of the above. The rash in measles first of all appears on trunks, palms, and soles, face, behind ears. The most common complication of measles, both in India and Pakistan, is diarrhea, pneumonia, encephalitis, and SSPE. Measles can occur below the age of 6 months if mothers has not been immunized, mothers did not have measles in childhood, mother HIV is HIV positive, all of the above. Hemorrhagic measles is when the rash is hemorrhagic. Synonym in black measles, when there is bleeding from mouth, nose, or bowel. All of the above. 2 and 3 are correct, 1 and 3 are correct. Which of the following diseases can exacerbate existing tuberculosis process? Measles, pertussis, HIV, all of the above. Encephalitis due to measles can occur in pre-eruptive stage, eruptive stage, post-eruptive stage, all of the above. The efficacy of measles vaccine is greater than 80%, less than 80%, 95%, 100%. Which of the following condition is not a contraindication for the use of measles vaccine? Pregnancy, child with untreated tuberculosis, child with leukemia, child with HIV infection. The rash in the measles first of all appears on trunk, palm and sole, face and behind ears. The risk of SSPE after natural infection of measles is 1 in 1 million, 7 in 1 million, 1 in 7 million, 7 in 7 million. Black measles is when measles is occurring in blacks, when the color of rash is black. When measles is occurring in whites and color of rash is black, none of the above. Thank you.